Today I will change battery on this fossil chronograph watch. Most fossil chronograph watches use same kind of battery, so you can use this video for other watch also. First step, you need to open this cover. To open this cover, you need to use tool, you need to use plastic. You cover it and you open it like this. If you open first time, maybe it will be a little hard, but you can use force and open it anyway. Then you open it totally, take out cover, take out gasket. If you have new gasket, you can later put new gasket. If you don't have, you can put also old one. Here is movement, here is battery, here is movement holder plastic. These batteries hold it by this plastic and by this iron. First step, you need to move this plastic which holds all movement. You lift it with tweezers, you put it somewhere. When you work on movement, be careful not to touch one of these coils. So the battery is locked by this plastic here on side. So you need sharp tweezers and you need to unlock. After you unlock, you need wooden stick, take out battery. This movement battery number is 371. Then you take new battery, put it back, push, and you need to lock battery holding iron. To lock it, you need to push it on side, so it will be locked and it will keep battery like this. Here is on the side, here is lock. When you take out, you pull. When you put batteries and you push here, it will lock battery. Then you put back plastic cover. When you put back plastic cover, here are two pins for chronograph buttons. So you need to adjust position like this, that they don't touch chronograph button. Otherwise they will push this button and move back down. So you adjust position like this and you push. If it don't go, you adjust position more, so it can go like this without any force. After changing battery, make sure watch is running, chronograph is running. Now you can put the gasket. When you put the gasket, here is place for gasket. It should fit that place. If it does not adjust position, like this, and you put back cover. Cover like this, and then you use plastic and you use tool. Okay, that's all. Watch is running, cover is closed, chronograph also running. That's all.